welcome back to my channel. So today I recorded this kind of like St. Patrick's Day type of look. I'm going on with like the yellow, green, maybe I don't even know if we're even close to St. Patrick's, are we? I don't know. Anyways, if you guys want to see how I created this look, then without further ado, let's get started. So here I'm just applying some concealer to my eyelids, as you guys can see. I'm going to leave a wet base just because I want my colors to go on vibrant. So I don't know if I'm going to use the Take Me to Brazil or my James Charles. More than sure I'm gonna use my James Charles because I want to do like a green glittery look.
I said shimmery, yet ended up with something super extra.
Shimmery look. So let's see what colors the James Charles palette has. So they do have, actually, oh yes, these are the perfect colors. So I'm gonna go in with these two colors. Obviously I'm gonna go in first with this one and blend with the yellow, just so I can have kind of a transition color going on, and so the colors can blend in right. And then I'm gonna go in with the darker one. I kind of would do like a St. Patrick's type of vibes, but we'll see where this goes. So I'm gonna go in with that first green shade, and let me find a brush. Let me open. Let me see. Let me go ahead, and I always use this brush, and this is my mermaid brush, and I just clean them. I have like a little rag on the side just so I can clean them. And my eyebrows are looking a little weird, but it's okay. So I just have this brush like this, and my friend got them for me from Forever 21, I believe. So yeah, I'm gonna go in with this coloring. So I'm gonna talk here and there. I'm not a big talker. Like, if you guys have seen my previous videos, I just do like music in the back, and I'm just I'm basically just doing my makeup. I don't really talk, but I want to get more into talking, and I'm just gonna press that color in. Kind of blending this out as I apply it because I don't want it just to stick in one place. And then I'm gonna go in with the yellow. So I'm gonna blend this out, do the other eye, and then I'll come back whenever I do my other eye. Now I'm gonna go in with this yellow shade just to kind of blend on top and give it more of a transition color. I want to apply yellow just because I want it to look like the gold pot little thing. I'm gonna insert a picture here so you guys can know what I'm talking about. I don't know how to say it, but the little thing that's at the end of the rainbow, I don't even know what they call it, but I just want to have yellow just so it can look like there's the pot, the gold pot thing, and then, you know, like the, wow, I went in with the green, the yellow cut. Oh my gosh, I suck at this. This is why I only do videos and then like just cut my whole voice. I don't even talk because of that same reason, because I suck at talking and doing my makeup at the same time. So posting pictures on my Instagram, so you guys go add me or follow me on my Instagram. I'm gonna have the little thing right here so you guys can add me. My username is lglam98, and then my Snapchat, I'll put it right here so you guys can add me on Snapchat, so you can see what I do in my daily life. I'm gonna go back in with that green and kind of go over it just so I won't lose that focus on that green color, but you can still see that yellow color. I'm gonna grab like a thin brush. I'm gonna use this brush. I'm gonna go in with this color and then just apply it and blend it with that yellow shade. I'm gonna go back in with that green and blend everything. So now I'm done blending. This is how I like, and I'm going to cut this down, and I'm gonna do maybe a yellow liner, or I don't know if I should do like a yellow line going through. I don't know yet. Or maybe I should cut my crease, apply yellow on my lid, and then a yellow liner. I don't know. I'm gonna cut my crease. I feel like I always do cut crease, but I'm gonna cut my crease and then I'll be back. So this is what I came up with. I still kind of have a little bit to blend up here. I really didn't like how the yellow turned out, but I like the red. Overall, I like how it looks. It's kind of a weird shape, but for my first time, I feel like it looks pretty cool. And I'm just going to intensify the top. I did this all off camera because I was really nervous, but I used the NYX. Ooh, it's focusing the camera. My phone focuses. No, I don't know why it's not focusing. So I used the NYX little paint thing. I added a little bit of gold just to make it seem like I have coins. But I will be posting